1497, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Tazewell, Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.